Namaste everyone. Welcome to Asana A Day series. I am Ramya Ramamurthy. Today we will be practicing Vrikshasana, also known as tree pose. This is a standing balancing posture. This posture helps to improve balance and stability in the ankles and the legs. It helps to strengthen the tendons and ligaments in the feet, and also strengthens and tones the legs. It stretches the sides of the trunk, lower back, upper back, and as we extend our arms up in the posture, it also improves shoulder flexibility. It stabilizes the hips and also helps to build better focus and concentration. Now, if you have any injuries or health conditions, make sure you have the approval of your physician before practicing yoga. So let's get started. To begin with, come into a standing position. Now, if you're a beginner or have any difficulty in balancing, make sure you stay close to the wall so that one palm can be on the wall, since you'll be balancing only on one leg. If you don't need wall support, you could just stay wherever you are. Now, two things are very important in balancing posture. One is the foundation. The leg which is on the mat has to be firmly gripped on the mat. Don't just keep it very loose. And another thing is your gaze. Fix your gaze at one point, either at a point in front of you or just look down on the floor on the mat. So these two things are very essential to make sure you're able to balance better. So let's get started. Feet together. And keep your hands on your hips. Now tuck your tailbone always to make sure your spine is straight. And then making sure you're pressing one leg firm on the mat, whichever leg you're going to balance on. So starting off with your left leg. So pressing your left leg firm and then bend your right knee. Hold your right ankle with your right hand and place your right foot on the side of your left leg. And then make sure you're opening your right knee to the side. Don't bring your right knee forward. Open it to the side. This way you're also working on the hip. If you're ready to release the grip, bring your right hand on your hips. If you'd like to deepen, join your palms together at your chest center. All through this, making sure your gaze is fixed. If you'd like to go a little more further, extend your hands up. Shoulders relaxed, elbows straight. You could hold the posture for 5 to 10 breaths. To come out, inhale. As you exhale, bring your palms at your chest. And then slowly holding your right ankle with your right hand, release your leg. Now let's repeat the same on the other side. Now I will give you a few modifications, again especially if you're a beginner. So as I said, the lifted leg is going to be placed on top of the standing leg, the side of the leg. Now, if placing it up high this way is a challenge, take it a little more lower. If this is also a challenge, a little more lower. If this is also a challenge, make sure your toe is down and you're just placing your heel on top of the standing leg. So you choose variation, either up high or a little low, or a little more low, or all the way down. But one thing you'll remember, make sure you're never placing the foot on top of the knees of the standing leg. This is not really good. You can also not balance, and also it's very bad for your knee joints. Okay? So keeping these things in mind, let's do on the other side. Feet together. Fix your gaze at one point. Now I'm going to press my right leg firm on the mat, gripping my foot firmly down. And then bending the left knee, hold the left ankle and place the left foot in one of the 4 places as I mentioned. And then open your left knee to the side. Make sure your spine is straight all through and your gaze is still fixed. If you're ready to deepen, hands can just stay on your hips, releasing the ankle. If you're comfortable, join your palms at your chest. If you're ready to deepen, inhale, extend your hands up and hold. Check your shoulders away from your ears. Check your left knee opening to the side and your elbows are straight. After 5 to 10 breaths to come out of the posture, inhale As you exhale, slowly bring your palms down. And with control, holding the left ankle, release it. Don't be in a hurry just to slide it down, because that is not good for your ankle joints. So this is Vrikshasana for you. A very simple balancing posture. Also good balancing posture to begin with if you're new to yoga. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.